welcome. This is Explain That. In this tutorial on how to block spam or scam calls on Android. So let's get started. So first, open up your dialer app. And then here, just scroll down until you see what type of number that has been calling you as a scam or a spam. When you find the number, hold on it and tap on the block number. It will also report it as a scam if you click on the tick box. So make sure that you have the correct number before trying to do this as well. Just click on the black number. And here you can also have the choice to unblock it and to remove the spam label on it as well. Note that you can do this in every account number that has been calling you or has dialed you once in your call history as well. And so that's about it. You've successfully blocked everything that has spam or scam calls on your Android device. If you found this video helpful, be sure to hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and share it with your friends by notifying that bell as well. As always, stay tuned for more tech tutorials on Explain That.